Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pragati Shubha. I'm the course director for the 7th RIAMS Rhinoplasty intensive course, which will be held from the 20th to the 24th of November in New Delhi, in association with the Department of Plastic Surgery at BLK-Max Super Speciality Hospital. I invite you to attend this course, which has as surgical faculty the Rhinoplasty Maestro Dr. Enrico Robotti, along with Dr. Lokesh Kumar. Now, what is so special about this course? This course has not been designed as a conference where there will be lectures and just case discussions which are random, but this has actually been structured in a manner that you're taught everything regarding rhinoplasty, from basic steps to the advanced. So you will be taught about local infiltration, how to mark your incisions, whether it is open rhinoplasty or closed rhinoplasty, how to decide on your osteotomies, graft preparation as well as graft harvestation. So whether that harvestation is from the septum, from the concha, or from your costal cartilage. Various techniques which are used not only for primary rhinoplasty but also revision rhinoplasty. How to manage complications. What are those tips and tricks which will ensure that you have a successful outcome of surgery? Now, how are we going to achieve that? This is going to be achieved over these 5 days, where every day will be showcasing not only a live surgery, there will also be lectures as well as case discussions. So you will have a one-on-one interaction with the faculty where you will be able to talk to them freely, ask your doubts, and of course, during live surgeries, you will be able to witness the mastery that is rhinoplasty under the hands of Dr. Robotti and Dr. Lokesh Kumar. Now, this course will benefit not only if you're a novice surgeon, but also if you're an advanced rhinoplasty surgeon and just want to upskill yourself in this craft. I do hope to see you at this course in November in New Delhi. Looking forward to welcoming all of you.